Hey everyone, welcome back to Skyfold Flight. I'm Ashish, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most reliable paper airplanes ever designed, the famous Nakamura Lock. This airplane was created by A.G. Nakamura, a well-known paper airplane designer whose innovative folding techniques have inspired flyers around the world. The plane gets its name from a special locking fold underneath the body that keeps all the layers securely in place. Many traditional paper airplanes have a common problem. After a few throws, the folds can start opening up, which affects performance and stability. The Nakamura lock solves that issue with a simple but effective locking tab that helps the plane stay tightly folded during flight. For this demonstration, I'm using a colorful sheet of paper, but any standard letter-size paper will work perfectly. The design is simple, beginner-friendly, and capable of impressive flights when folded correctly. Before we start, let's take a quick look at the finished airplane in action. To make the Nakamura lock, you'll need one sheet of paper measuring 8.5 by 11 inches. Start by folding the paper in half lengthwise. Bring the right edge over to meet the left edge, then crease firmly and unfold. This center crease will guide the rest of our folds. Next, take the top right corner and fold it inward so the top edge aligns with the center crease. Repeat the same fold on the left side. You should now have a pointed top shape. Now fold the entire top triangular section downward. Make sure the tip lands directly on the center crease below. Crease firmly across the paper. After that, take the upper right corner and fold it toward the center crease. The point should stop about 1 inch above the bottom tip. Precision isn't critical here, but try to keep both sides symmetrical. Repeat the same fold on the left side, matching it as closely as possible to the first fold. Now comes the signature feature of this airplane. Fold the small bottom triangle upward over the two folded flaps. This creates the locking tab that holds everything together and gives the plane its name. Once the lock is in place, fold the airplane in half along the center crease. To create the wings, fold the top edge down so it lines up with the bottom edge of the airplane. Turn the plane over and repeat the same fold on the opposite side. And that's it. Your Nakamura lock is complete. Before flying, gently angle both wings slightly upward. This small adjustment helps improve stability and encourages straighter flights. Give it a smooth, level throw and see how far it can travel. You might be surprised by how well such a simple design performs. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments how far your Nakamura lock flies. Don't forget to subscribe for more paper airplane tutorials, flight tests, and creative folding designs. I'll see you in the next video.